Gold price today, December 9th. World gold price remains around $2.640 per ounce. Despite fluctuations last week, world gold prices stayed around $2.640 per ounce. Domestic gold prices are stable, with gold bars anchored at VND 85.2 million/tail and gold rings remaining around VND 84 million/tail. Despite fluctuations last week, gold prices remain around $2.640 per ounce. Kitco News' latest weekly gold survey shows that industry experts are once again cautious about the short-term direction of gold. Meanwhile, retail traders are slightly more optimistic about the precious metal. Richard Chaikin, chairman and CEO of Asset Strategies International, said that the latest non-farm payrolls data supports the possibility of a U.S. Federal Reserve Fed rate cut, which is suitable for gold. He predicts a slight increase in prices next week. In the same view, expert Mark Leibovit of VR Metals/Resource Letter also believes that gold prices will increase next week. However, he is not entirely confident in the short-term strength of this precious metal. Meanwhile, although he believes that the gold market is still in an uptrend, Jesse Colombo, founder of Bubble Report, believes this precious metal will move sideways in the short term. Gold price forecast. Christopher Vecchio, an expert at Tasty Live, is neutral on the gold market. He believes that gold prices must overcome the resistance level of $2.725/ounce to create new growth momentum. Kitco predicts that gold prices could fluctuate between $2.600 and $2.800 per ounce by the end of 2024. Factors such as the Fed's monetary policy and geopolitical tensions will affect gold prices in the coming period. Light Finance predicts that gold prices will fluctuate between $2.421 and $2.651 per ounce by 2025. Factors such as interest rates, global supply and demand, geopolitical tensions, and currency devaluation will affect gold prices. ABC predicts that gold prices could rise to $2.700 per ounce by early 2025 due to interest rate cuts and geopolitical tensions. Long-term forecasts suggest gold prices could reach $8 to $10 an ounce by 2030. According to Reuters, gold prices could rise to $2.700 an ounce by mid-2025 due to Fed rate cuts and central bank gold purchases.